Yes, hello again, and welcome to yet another episode of Location Nexus where stories of real estate meet data and then wonderful guests to debate. Today's location is actually, this is the first time we're repeating a location, but then we'll also talk a little bit more in detail about a micro location within that larger location. And ये इसलिए रिपीट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट लोकेशन है इन द एंटायर सिटी ऑफ मुंबई क्योंकि I genuinely believe that the gravity of Mumbai has moved from Sobo to this location for n number of reasons. मतलब मैं तो इस पे पूरा एक बुक लिख सकता हूँ. बुलेट ट्रेन यहाँ है, द गोल्डन गेट ब्रिज वो यहाँ है, BKC यहाँ है, डायमंड्स यहाँ बिकते हैं, बॉलीवुड यहाँ रहता है, एयरपोर्ट पास में है, एक्सप्रेस वे यहीं से चालू होता है. So I just love Bandra. So we're repeating. Last time we also spoke about Bandra, but within Bandra we're going to spend a lot of time talking about the Bandra Bay section. And what I call, why do we call it Bandra Bay? Because the whole Mahim Causeway and the Golden Gate Bridge is visible from this location, which is called also currently Bandra Reclamation. And to make it more interesting and give you a different perspective, we have a guest. So let me introduce you the guest. And that's Mr. Shamal Modi. So thank you very much for coming.
Thank
so
you
it's going to be a
having
lot of conversations, some debates, hopefully.
The nice one.
some grilling. क्योंकि मैं भी यहीं इसी एरिया में पैदा हुआ हूँ, यहीं पे बड़ा हूँ, आप भी यहीं पैदा हुए बड़े हुए हैं.
Born and raised.
So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to go back to where we played gulli danda and
Cricket on the road.
Cricket on the road. So we're going to do all of that. So brace up and please don't forget any comments you have, good, bad, ugly, is always welcome.
Preferably the best ones, but should be
तो
fine.
चलो. So Shamal, welcome.
Thank you so much for
And as
having
we
me.
said, मुझे तो बैंड्रा बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि हर चीज यहीं पे ही है, right? And let me begin with जो मेरा सबसे बड़ा grievance है. And I want to get your perspective on it. The grievance ये है कि you have Bandra here, and then there's some little bit of समुद्र जिसके ऊपर ब्रिज बन गया है अभी, and then there's Worli. Worli is trading at 1.5 लाख रुपया, या चलो 125 पे सेटल करते हैं. Bandra, some parts are at the same price, but larger Bandra is at 60,000-70,000. I don't like this disparity क्योंकि the distance is only less than 5 minutes.
True.
पानी वहाँ पे भी, पानी यहाँ पे भी है. यहाँ पे बॉलीवुड है, वहाँ बॉलीवुड नहीं है. यहाँ पे एप्पल स्टोर है, वहाँ एप्पल स्टोर नहीं है. यहाँ पे BKC, वहाँ BKC नहीं है. तो ये disparity क्यों है? मेरे हिसाब से Bandra should be more expensive than Worli. What is your perspective on that? उससे शुरू करते हैं.
So, means thank you for feeding me to the wolves. But ठीक है. So, in all honesty, as we were discussing before this also, right? If Bandra, if you go back 20 साल, right, when this whole redevelopment started, because redevelopment is associated only with Khar, Bandra, Santa Cruz.
Yes.
Right? If at that time there would have been a planned way of doing this redevelopment, right? Today I'm sure Bandra would have been at 1.5 lakh rupees, far more superior than Worli, because except for that, apna wo Worli sea face, right? That 1-2-3 kilometer stretch of land.
Yes.
Everything else in Worli is very, very cheap.
Yeah.
Right? It's almost at the same price as Khar, Santa Cruz, not even Bandra.
Yeah.
Plots are bigger. So hence I think Worli commands that premium. You've got less height restrictions, so hence Worli commands that premium. Bandra and Khar and Santa Cruz just got into that mishmash, right? के बंगलो टूट के सात माला फटाफट बन गया. Within my lifetime I've seen that, right? In the 85 is when I was born, right? So 80 is when my father started. So from 80s to 2025, bungalows have given way to now 30-storied in such a short span of time, and Worli is now getting there. I think it is that planned development or redevelopment of Worli which has pushed the prices up, whereas Bandra, it's just a hodgepodge, right? Like that's why you love Bandra, I love Bandra, because we stay there, right? Because we still reminisce the old times. For the outside world, a lot of the memes that go out there is Bandra में से vibe बिकता है और कुछ नहीं बिकता है, right? Cafes and vibes. I mean, I can debate it all I want, you can debate it all I want, but it's true to a certain extent.
Sure.
Right, but I think if it was more planned, which hopefully now with the cluster policy, things will change. I think Bandra will far exceed every other location. Not because of anything, not because I'm biased or I work there. Logically speaking, it's actually the center point. You started that in the introduction, right? Take that Bombay map, fold कर दो, बीच में pin डाल दो. It is actually वो 5, 6, 7 kilometer radius of Bandra, BKC, all of that. अलग अलग बिजनेस डिस्ट्रिक्ट बन जाएंगे, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, पर सेंटर ऑलवेज रिमेन सेंटर,
सेंटर तो यही रहेगा.
हाँ, अपना सिटी
Sure.
थोड़ा अलग है कि
Sure.
सब जगह पे हाई राइज बन जाते हैं सेंटर को छोड़ के.
Sure.
बट इफ यू across the globe you go, right? Downtown is downtown, and circular or around it, around the circumference is where the city starts developing. Ours have become completely ulta. We got so many micro cities. Sobo, Worli, Prabhadevi, Bandra, Khar, Juhu, Andheri, everything has its own downtown.
Sure.
But in a planned manner, if you literally take that map and fold it, this is where the center would.
No, but Shamli, you'll also agree with me that Bandra is very heterogeneous when it is in its
It's
real
always
estate.
been. Always been.
You've
right?
got the Talao side, which is super cheap.
Yeah.
You've got the Carter
Bandstand,
Road and
Carter
the
Road.
Bandstand and the Shah Rukh Khan's side, which is super expensive. You want to spend some time explaining our viewers and even me actually. Suddenly, people realize कि ये gold mine है and यहाँ से समुद्र दिखता है, क्या हो गया ऐसा? मतलब वो समुद्र तो पहले भी दिखता था.
So Carter Road Bandstand was pure play redevelopment, right? CRZ था, development नहीं हो रहा था. It was stuck. CRZ policies have now changed. Coastal Road is coming up. Bandra reclamation has always been the stepsister of Bandra, right?
Sure.
Like, except for Lilavati,
Yes.
people don't go there, and now for the connector of the sea link,
Yes.
people go there. So it was for those specific reasons. You never went there for anything
Correct.
else. MHADA did not have that policy for redevelopment, right? So why I mentioned MHADA is because full Bandra reclamation, the 150 odd acres of it, including where the yard is for the metro, belongs to MHADA. The land belongs to MHADA. MHADA gave it out to government officers, class 1, 2, 3, depending. Gave them the plot of land, told them, build your houses, stay there,
Yeah.
close to BKC. Because earlier BKC was planned as government offices, right? You had your income tax, service tax, all of them there. So Bandra reclamation se BKC ana was far easier than Bandra West, which was more expensive.
Sure.
It was actually for the coastal road that it got built. Coastal road stopped, only the ceiling got built. Hence the land was reclaimed.
Yeah.
Now the policies changed. CRZ relaxed. Height restrictions got relaxed. And that is when suddenly the gold mine, which was always there, came,
सबके
I think,
आंखों में आ गया.
came into the limelight, right? When people started rushing in there, like I still remember the first society tender that I picked up, and it fell in our laps, right? I was sitting somewhere and somebody said, "Kuch karega?" Yeah. He's like, "Chota plot hai, par means will you be able to manage it?" I was like, means why not? And somebody threw a tender copy saying, "Bandra reclamation, not that high fundu, but it's at least Bandra." And when I was like, boss, you go to the terrace and see the view, right? From a 7-story building.
Yes.
And I was like, why is it not high fundu?
Yeah.
Right? So it luckily happened to us where we entered. And I think in the last 3 years, from reclamation, that whole shift happened to Bandra Bay, where I think the DP came out.
Yeah.
And that is when it became a gold mine, right?
Sure.
Now everything becomes a gold mine only once, in hindsight, you look at it. First, nobody believes in it. I think your report played a major part in people realizing the potential of it. You take any location, if you make a proper development plan for it, I think all locations are gold mine, right? Connectivity point of view.
नहीं तो ये this okay, ये इसको काट देना क्योंकि ये कोई एक्सीडेंट से इन्होंने किया नहीं है वहाँ पे. I'm sure there's a lot of
yeah,
science
the
gone
report.
into it. नहीं, I meant जैसा ना कि somebody threw a tender and मुझे accident
but
मिल गया नहीं.
it actually happened like that. I am not okay. So in all honesty, right? I was sitting in like how you and I are sitting, and I was pitching for another society.
Wow.
And at that society's planning presentation, somebody came up to me and said, there are some societies looking at redevelopment in Bandra. They're looking for a developer. They're not finding a developer.
क्या बात है. ऐसा भी होता है. Wow.
I wouldn't mind having a look at it because we have expertise in this, right? Like we've been there, done that. We do SRA, MHADA, open plot. So I said, I really don't mind working on it. He's like, देख ले अगर तुझसे होता है तो. And literally it came like that. And I gave it to my brother and said, let's run the numbers, let's figure it out, let's go there. And that is how it exactly played out, right? So it's a very funny story how things just fall into your lap at times.
So you said you ran the numbers.
Ran the numbers.
Now I'll throw some numbers at you. And let me see whether you really ran the numbers or not. हमारे रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से 8 मिलियन स्क्वायर फीट बनने वाला है वहां पे. What I was told by Madha was, and I love what they said, कि हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे हाई स्ट्रीट रिटेल बनाएंगे और घर बनाएंगे क्योंकि we don't want competition to BKC. But 8 million and this is L&T. Help me if I miss somebody.
Yeah.
किसी को बुरा लगना चाहिए ना वो फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स के जैसे. मिस्टर विकास ओबरॉय, गोदरेज, DLX ऑलरेडी बन चुका है. फिर गुरु कृपा, I forget all the names. Inspira, thank you.
Excel.
And of course, Mr. Adani.
Yeah.
So what numbers did you run? इतना सारा competition आने वाला था कि बाद में आ गया?
When we picked up that tender,
yes,
the only development happening there was DLH.
Wow.
That was the only building where it was demolished. There were some societies that had signed up, but development had not happened yet. So when we ran the numbers, we knew that MSRDC is looking at opening up that land and kuch karenge. So on that hope, saying that wo open land zameen hai, the tender is going to be in a way where a new entrant like me will never be able to do it, for example. We said this looks fine. We got lucky with, I call my plot the golden rectangle.
Because it's larger compared to your competitors.
And it's open from all sides, right? We've got wings in front of me. I've got the MET ground behind me. And I've got a road right next to me, right? So on three sides.
So like the Marina Sands of Singapore, आप guarantee कर रहे हैं कि कुछ बनेगा नहीं आजू बाजू?
101%. That's there in the.
They paid premium Marina in Singapore. They paid.
And it is there in the DP, right? Technically, it is there in the DP where Wings Sports Club is the recreational.
So you won't do a Bellissimo on me?
No, I.
Sorry.
How do you put it?
Let me join my hands and say sorry first.
I wouldn't want that to happen. And I hope that open grounds remain the way they are supposed to, right? I know behind me is going to remain open forever, only because the new Gymkhana for Bandra Bay is coming up, right? Like how you have Otters, Kharjam. So there's already a Gymkhana that is happening. And in front of me, Wings has become an integral part of, I think, Bombay, because I've got friends who come from town playing paddle in Wings. For them to travel across Sobogai is very, very difficult, right? So hope that does not happen. But yeah, when I ran the numbers, we ran the numbers in a way ke, as you mentioned, Bandra agar itne mein bikta hai, reclamation itne mein bik hi jayega. If it's this, it's a great to get in, right? Great number to get in. Plus the square footage was huge, right? It was a lot of investment in the first go. But we looked at it saying that rather than me doing 10 societies in Kharbanda, Santa Cruz, where at an average I'll get 2,000 square feet apartments, so 20,000 square feet roughly to sell, give or take. I rather focus on one area, have about 2 lakh square feet to sell, and then figure out the numbers, right? Like law of averages.
Sure.
And that is when we got in, and then when we dug deep, and the DP, and the plans, and then, you talk to your neighbors and figure out what their plans are. I think that changed the perspective from when we got in luck by chance to then the whole, the vision is far greater than what it was.
So as I said, 8 million square feet बनने वाला है, which is 80 lakh square feet.
Yeah.
उसमें से आप कितना बना रहे हो?
I am at about 8. We'll be about 8.5 lakh square feet. So 10% of that.
So yeah, so let me introduce my guest again. Bandra reclamation mein 10% this gentleman is going to make. That's a lot.
That is a lot. And now that you put at that number, I never knew that till the time. And I was like, yeah, that is actually a lot. That is actually a lot of square footage that we are building. But yeah, we've got 3 societies here, right?
And if I can ask a difficult question, I hope people who are listening to this podcast, I don't know how many of these people know you. तो ये छुपा हुआ Bandra reclamation जो था, जो suddenly gold mine हो गया. Similarly, can I say that Shamal Modi भी कहीं छुपा हुआ था, suddenly he's become.
Well, people who know me, right?
No, I mean, I'm from the industry.
You're from the industry.
So I'm just trying to correlate Bandra का छुपा रुस्तम reclamation, ये real estate का some छुपा रुस्तम. Like, tell me more about where were you? Where have you been?
Been here, been working since I was 21. You know the whole story. But yeah, I mean, I think for people who don't know me, and I get this question a lot.
Yes.
Because when I introduce myself, right, I introduce that I am a second generation real estate developer. My father started in the 80s saw the whole transition from bungalows से सात माले का building, सात माले का
Sure.
building से TDR लेके 15 floors, 12 floors, Reba. And then we moved to the outskirts.
Yes.
We moved to Thana. We started a firm called Ronak. We still have that where it's ongoing affordable housing, as
Yeah.
people call it, but it's across the range, right? We never did come back, born and raised in Bandra, but there were some rules at that time jo grey the, which then became clearer. I think I would like to mention Subodh Kumar ji here because he's that clarity of fungible and making the block clear for everybody, right? Saying that this is what everybody gets. Now you would get the same thing as a developer as I would get. Now it comes down to what our vision for that project is and how much we see that as a potential to sell it at, right? So there's clarity in rules, regulation system. So that is when we came back, but we've always been at the back. Means you call it genes or you call it whatever. I love sales marketing. It was never into my blood. I wanted to get into finance. But when I joined my father after university, I was at the back end, right? There was somebody leading the firm, still is, means I've learned a lot from Rajan uncle. Means you know him, you met him. He was the face, he is the face, he runs the show. We were at the back end doing what we are supposed to do in a partnership. That is how it works, right? So that market, people knew me, knew of me when I started looking at sales. When you came back to Khar Bandra Santa Cruz, right? Bhaiya, ho kaun? Right? And then when you put that history, samye ye sab buildings banaya, ye sab kiye hai. So a lot of them are in the Ronak brand name. We had a local partner here that we tied up with where we did about 4-5 buildings. Last one is ongoing. So there's always one face and us at the background. But took that leap of faith. You turn 40, life changes.
You said 85, na?
I'm 85. I
इसी साल
turned 40. Thank you, sir. But yeah, so 3 years ago we took a decision to, branch out on our own.
Yeah.
We had the legacy, we had the know-how, but we wanted to get into that niche segment of redevelopment and just overall proper development, if I were to call it, right? Where you amalgamate societies, talk to members, figure out light, ventilation because of everything. And we formed Elements Realty, right? My brother, myself, my uncle, we formed Elements Realty. And that is when that question arose, right? When I put those numbers out and people Google and say, "Bhai, tu dikh nahi raha hai.
Sure.
Tu hai kaun?
Sure.
And why should I trust you, right? Because the first time when you go, the first question is, offer sahi hai. Sir, but आपके नाम की building नहीं दिख रही है, right?
Sure.
Because every brand name has its building
Absolutely.
name. And then you give them the story. Some get it, some don't. And that's absolutely fair. But yeah, we got lucky. Some of the societies did trust us. We've signed 5, 3 in, all of them are in Bandra, but 3 in Bay, 1 Union Park, 1 Turner Road. We've got something in South Bombay. So these are societies that I think deep dived into whatever we gave them, figured out, and then trusted us with the redevelopment process. And yeah, it's been a great.
So then,
3 years.
Shamal, since we are on the conversation of some people trusted you and some did not.
No, I didn't say they didn't trust us. So it's not about.
Or they bit the silver bullet.
Some
चलो.
bit the silver bullet by,
तो ऐसी क्या जादू की पुड़िया आपने खिलाई, ऐसा क्या USP है आपके पास, other than this nice smiling face? What did you tell them? Which did that tipping over?
So it's the same thing, right? Like when people talk about it's real estate has to be built on trust, transparency, planning, location, right? How we envision Elements Realty, right? Brother, uncle, myself, and everybody is key. A home is a very emotional feeling, right? When you buy a home, it's very, very emotional.
Sure.
Right?
Nobody will debate on that.
Now imagine when you buy a home, it's such an emotional feeling, and like I've sold in Ronak, right? Like we sold homes from 11 lakh rupees when we started off in Kalyan to something on Godbandha Road, which we launched in 2008 during the crisis, 11 lakh rupees. And when you transact, right, I used to sit on the table and literally sell to people. It's a very weird, I can't put words to it, but when he's giving you that check and the family is there, it's a very, very different feeling, right?
तो चेक के साथ बहुत ट्रस्ट, बहुत
Everything comes,
everything
right?
comes with it.
हाँ, कि भाई एक तो आप बनाएंगे, अच्छा बनाएंगे, and you can see the dreams in their eyes कि it's land, वो आज से 4 साल 3 साल की जर्नी साथ में जा रहा है. There are ups and downs like every relationships, right? But again, that smile when you give them the keys, right? Everything gets forgotten. Good, bad, ugly, you say sorry, everything gets to a certain extent forgotten, right? As long as the product or the home gets delivered at far more superior expectations, right? And that is what I carried when we built Elements, because now I'm asking you to trust me to give your home. You already have a house.
एक फर्क है ना, 11 लाख की जगह 11 करोड़ का चेक देना पड़ेगा.
सर होम है ना, राइट? आप खरीदने का फीलिंग तो बड़ा अलग है.
Correct,
right?
correct.
Sales, I think in Kharbanda, Santa Cruz or anywhere, right? If you have a great plan, sales is not a challenge. The challenge is to convince, as you rightly said, to the society members ke bhai, we are the right people to give your homes to. We will break that building in which you've lived for more than a decade, 50 years, 60 years, some of them, right? To the last guy moving in, let's say, a decade ago, we will break that building. We'll bring the brand new one. You live on rent. You've never lived on rent all your life.
Sure.
You live on rent for 3 years. Trust us, we'll give you your home back, right? Now, there I'm telling you to trust me 2-3 times. Not just कि आपने घर लिया, agreement किया और आप आगे गए. Because the horror stories that you hear with redevelopment. So, I think what we do is we bring that family element and touch, right? We are very family oriented people. Second generation real estate, so you can understand that, right? We've always been under the radar. We've always been like, very few people know who my dad actually is, right? He's a guy who's built about 85 lakh square feet. I've been partners in firms where we've delivered about 171 buildings with OC, right? So there is a legacy. I grew up in Kharbanda, so life becomes simpler for me, where you have friends, uncles that you met, and now uncles look at you and say, "Beta, hamara building kar do." But because of that trust, it works, right? And they know the family, they've grown up, and that is how you sign your first few projects. So what we bring is that family touch, and our vision, mission is very clear, that every society that we do, there'll always be a promoter who will be in touch with every process, right?
Oh, wow.
It means, I know growth gets affected, but I'm okay with that. We'll figure that as we traverse this journey. Like when it comes to pitching, sales, planning, marketing, I am the face. My brother takes over when it comes to legal. So, right, it's not like a lawyer sitting with the society guy reading the DA. I'm a part of it. My brother's a part of it. My uncle's a part of it at times. When it comes to on-site, if in Bandra reclamation, it happens a lot with us. Log आजू बाजू में घर लेके बैठे हैं, right? Every morning or evening they see either of us or sometimes all of us at different times, and they say, "यार आप लोग रोज आते हो?" It's just in our nature to even though there are project managers, engineers who know what they are doing. You've got the best engineering workforce, but it's that habit of being on site just to ask and figure out, right? So what we bring is that element of family trust and bond, saying that, sir, it is means we understand the feeling with which you're giving us your home, and we understand the feeling with which we'll give you back. I think that is the unique tipping scale. Obviously, for sales, if I were to tell you, marketing point of view wise, I think our plans work.
Oh, you mean the floor plans?
The floor plans.
You spend a lot of time and energy doing that?
100%. That is, if we don't do that in the market that we are, it's a very cutthroat market, you know more about it. If I cannot give that unique, special element to your house, then how can it work, right? Like simple fundas like, you can plan a 3,000 square foot apartment. You would want it as a 4-bedroom, I would want it as a 5, somebody wanted it as a 2. Can I fit all of them and make it look that 3,500 or 3,000 was designed for that individual person? So the beams, columns, everything needs to factor in the least, which is a 2-bedroom, but also ensure that if it's a 5-bedroom, the shafts are in place, right? So those are the small nuances that we go into. For societies, we give them a warm finish home back. So you get back your home the way you gave it to me. We've got about 130 families out on rent.
This is the reclamation project.
Reclamation has 83 of them.
Acha.
All those 83 families had their homes which were different. किसी का टाइल अलग रहता है, किसी का बाथरूम का टाइल अलग रहता है, right? So what we do is we give them that uniqueness factor back again.
What are you saying?
Right?
Really?
So
83
unique homes can be built. We'll give them to start with 3 mood boards with three options each. So that's 3 into 3 into, you can do the maths. It'll turn up to about 81 permutation and combinations. And that guy could pick this tile for the washroom and that tile for the other washroom and that tile for that washroom, and we will build it.
Wow.
We'll give them the modular kitchens, right? We'll put ACs in so that the ducting is done properly. So it's those smaller things, because you gave me your house fully functional, right? You didn't give me a broken house for me to rebuild. So then it is, I think, our kartavya to give you back that functional home without the loose furniture. That's the only thing that we don't give yet. No loose furnitures, or else false ceiling done, fans done, ACs done, lighting's done, kitchen's done.
Shamil, allow me to pause for a second. मुझे ये बात नहीं डाइजेस्ट हो रही है कि 83 लोगों को आपने 3 साल के लिए डिस्प्लेस किया, प्रॉमिस किया, फिर आप उनको कस्टमाइज्ड घर दे रहे हो. रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ द एशियन पेंट्स का एड, मेरा वाला क्रीम, मेरा वाला ग्रीन. आप आज ही मून या मार्स से उतरे हो नीचे? लाइक आई एम सीरियस, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू फ्लैटर यू, बट दिस इज नॉट कॉमन. व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस? इट्स एन हेडेक फॉर यू.
Because, as I said, right, when they gave me their homes, they were fully functional homes, the way they live in it, the way they have been living in it, right? Means, let's say I have a house, right? I have a Jodi apartment, which I've converted as per my family's living style. I will always continue to want to live like that. No? I don't need those many bedrooms. So when I customize their homes for you, right? Like we have a team in-house, which liaises with my design architect and my approval architect. The first IODCC comes as per normal. It is that OC plan from now till OC is when if I have to give you a 4 bed and you want to use it as a 3 bed. If you tell me कि Shamal 3 bed ही OC plan में चाहिए, I'll put it as a 3 bed. If you tell me 4 bed, I'll put it as a 4 bed for you, because you're going to live there for the next 30 years.
Sure.
Right? You don't want to come back, break the house that I've given you and redo the entire house, because there's something called as a builder finish, right? When we do open plot development, this is what we do. We put that one tile across. We put that one kitchen across.
Obviously, मैं रात जैसे जाएगा वहाँ से बल्क में लेके आएगा.
हाँ, that's fine, right? If I make your bathrooms the way you want, I am guaranteed that leakages will not happen unless and until you literally break down the bathroom that I've given and change the tile after 3-4 years, right? So I know I can prevent leakages. If AC is put all in one line, the ducting is done properly, I know the leakages will not happen. If your kitchen is done as per what you want, you'll not just break anything or change the pipeline. So this is also to prevent future leakages, right? It's a headache for that last, I think 18 months it becomes a headache for the team and for us to coordinate, but we are fine with that, right? I have to anyways do raw flats or builder finish flats. Now the only difference is we need to figure out, or we need to have that sheet ready saying these 10 want this style, these 10 want this style. उतना ही करना है ना, बाकी tiles तो मेरे को मंगानी है, एक specific है. Plus what we also do is, your home is not designed by me or my architecture team in the office. It's designed by the project architect. That means if we've got, let's say, Sanjay Puri for reclamation, his team will give me the 3 mood boards. So technically when you move back in, means you have a home designed by architect Sanjay Puri. There's something that we're doing with Reza sir. You have a home designed by Talati and partner. So those are the unique USPs that I were to offer the society guys, right? Like very few will hire one of these architects for a redevelopment home again, right? You'll go to, let's say, A category, not the A plus, these guys, right? Because they do 3, 4, 5,000 square feet and bigger apartments. Now, if you tell them for a 1500 foot 3 bedroom, they will take it, but you might not So
Can we discuss pricing for a second?
sure,
मेरे हिसाब से this area should be 1 lakh rupees minimum.
yeah, 100%.
आप तो हाँ ही बोलोगे, आप तो डेवलपर हो.
No. There is a incentive to that, not just for reclamation, right? For everything else that I do in Bandra. This is 1 lakh.
ठीक है, चलो. Going back to when the two brothers, I don't know your brother's name, did
Sumit.
run the numbers. I love that dialogue. Run the numbers. वो हम करते हैं, but you are doing it. If I can ask, वो तो 1 lakh के भी पास भी नहीं होगा.
Chance ही नहीं है.
Correct?
Chance ही नहीं है.
So the people who will buy or already have purchased with you and some other friends of yours who have also built there or launched there or sold there, they're all going to double their money minimum. Can I say that safely?
As long as we know what we've got it at, and there's enough juice for us in it, I am okay for value getting created for either my buyer or my society guy, right? We don't want to absurdly price it on day one. You're right, Bandra reclamation, according to me, will hit certain projects, will hit 1.5 lakh. And this is not a salesman talk, this is logical talk, right? If Worli can sell from 125 to 2, anywhere in between, depending upon the project, location, size, all of those, across the ceiling, doesn't mean you're inferior. It just means you prefer this location over that, nothing else, right?
Yes.
From one side you're looking at Bandra to Worli, दूसरी side Worli to Bandra, और कुछ change नहीं हो रहा है, right? Should average out at about lakh and a half. Only because if you go from where we are to, as you name, the Shah Rukhs, the Salmans, the Amir Khans of the world, those locations, Pali Hill, Bandstand, Carter Road, tell me one project today in Bandstand or Mount Mary which is below 1.5 lakh.
No,
right?
that's
None.
Yeah.
Means you're a data guy, I'm not. Tell me the distance between Bandra Reclamation or Bandra Bay and Mount Mary.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Right?
This sleeping Kohinoor which has just been found.
So it cannot be that if this is 1.5 that this is 50,000 rupees. Today it could be because people also want a value buy. Some people underestimated the market. Some developers got in, want to get out quickly, whatever, right? Like it depends from person to person. But this will average out. And this reminds me of Godbanda Road, right? When Godbanda Road was being built, or today also if you see, Godbandar is more famous than Thane. For local Thane guys, if you tell them Godbandar, he says it's not Thane, it is Godbandar. You're nowhere near Thane city, right? For him, Pokhran Road, Majivada, all of that is very, very important.
Yeah.
We have a project on Pokhran Road, Viraj Tower, ultra luxurious. It sells at 25-30,000 rupees a square foot on resale.
Oh wow.
Right? In Thane, 30,000 rupees, 4,000 square feet apartments.
Wow.
So you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So it's going to happen the same here, right? This is Bandra West you're talking about. This is not Kalanagar. This is not near the highway somewhere. This is not nestled without infrastructure.
Yeah.
It's just, I think at that inflection point, you've got in Niranjan sir who's there. You've got in Adani which is there. Means Vikas Oberoi wouldn't take a bet in this location if he did not think that it's going to reach a place, right?
Yeah.
So you've got these three great guys. One of them has the largest land parcel. The other two have great land parcels. Imagine what they will build. Imagine what
And Shamal, you did not mention anything about the Madha cluster, which will make the whole area that much more livable compared to the narrow roads of Bandra and the narrow roads of Santa Cruz and the narrow roads of Khar. Right?
This will be a planned city, right? Technically,
exactly.
This is your Chandigarh in Bandra in 150 acres. That's the only way I can describe it, right? When my friends ask me, "Ki kya hai?" I like imagine Chandigarh road, drainage, everything built, plots demarked, और फिर बोला गया कि इस पे आप अपना घर बना दीजिए, right? The only difference is वहाँ पे आपका घर बनता है, यहाँ पे you have high rises. That's the only thing that changes. But this is that, right? You've got a hospital, done. You got a new hospital, dialysis center next to it, coming up, done. You've got 2 colleges, done, right? So you've got that basic infrastructure sorted. You've got cafes, which is Bandra culture vibe, done. Bacha hai retail, which is coming up, right? Bacha hai high-end or mid-scale residential from a 3-bed to 10,000 square feet, which is coming up, right? So now you've got that whole ecosystem within that 150 acres, which I think nowhere in the gullies that we stay
Absolutely.
it's possible, right?
Absolutely. That's what I'm talking about. That cluster development.
So it's
will
going to
make
change. It's a game changer. A few clusters are taking there where now parking will be planned, right? Leaky, you know, the pain for means you go to Starbucks, you can't find parking.
We still love shopping there, but alag baat hai.
Right? Now imagine planned retail
Yes.
where you have enough parking, you have a theater, everything where you can drive your car to from car,
Yeah.
park your car and not worry about it.
Yeah.
I think it'll be like your Fifth Avenue.
So chalo, some more numbers just to have this conversation going. 8 lakh square feet out of the 80. अब ये 80 को आप मुझे थोड़ा हेल्प करो इसको स्प्लिट करने. Let's just assume 10% is retail.
Yeah.
तो आपका जो 10 था उसको रिटेल में डाल देते हैं एक बार.
Yeah, I'm full.
अच्छा, you're full.
I'm full residential, but I understand what you're saying.
Okay, चलो 70 lakh square feet के घर बनने वाले हैं. आपका, if I can ask, what is the average size of the apartment you're building?
1400 square feet.
Correct, but you're the first mover.
One of the first movers. Yes.
अब जब जो आएंगे वो can I assume 2500-3000 की नीचे नहीं बनाएंगे?
Yeah.
If you can help me divide 70 lakh by 3000. I don't know.
Forget it. I know what you're saying. I know what you're getting at.
आप लोग बहुत कम घर बना रहे हो.
So मैं उल्टा बोल रहा हूँ ना. Imagine the tsunami that is being built up to hit the northward direction.
Exactly my point. Now let me put some more numbers to you. 18 million square feet का BKC में ऑफिस स्टॉक है. जो ग्लोबल मैथमेटिक्स है कि इतना है तो इतने CXO, CEOs जो भी CC वहां पे काम करते
लगने वाले हैं. हाँ.
ठीक है. In the next 7 years, that 18 will become about 28
lakh. Yeah, the 2 new developments.
10 million ऐड हो जाएगा. नहीं, जैप्स को छोड़ दो.
अच्छा.
उसके वो तो है ही.
वो तो आने वाला.
और भी हैं जो 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means आज 6000 लोग काम करते हैं. Those who can afford your house. And 7 साल में 2000 और ऐड हो जाएंगे. पर आप तो बहुत कम घर बना रहे हो सब मिलके.
हाँ.
So then वो कहाँ घर खरीदेंगे?
So that is where luckily.
What I'm trying to say
I know it's still lesser
80 lakh sounds a very large number.
But it is not.
But if you
break it down, mathematically it is not. And always I think somebody shared a podcast or something or some reel with me which said that oh yeah, I know who, but okay, I won't name him. But there's a reel where he mentions that when people talk, right, like there's always a bull and a bear. There's always some guys who are bullish about a particular market and there are bearish. They said that a developer 80 lakh square feet कब बिकेगा, कैसे बिकेगा, लोग मर जाएंगे, ये हो जाएगा. Versus if you break it down, if you break it over 5 years, these 80 lakh square feet, it's not a big number, right? And if I were to come out and say, I've already sold 1 lakh square feet of mine, which is my sale, pure sale, forget the members.
Sure.
Now I've got only around the 2.5 lakh square feet of sale left. Now that means I'm 1/3 sold at basement level, right?
Wow.
I still got 3 years to delivery and you're sold out. Now, like me, there are others also who are sold out, who we don't know the numbers yet. The data will be available. Now, what happens then? This stock ka ripple effect goes inwards, right? So then, if that goes inwards, this price shoots up.
Outwards.
That's the only way to
अभी
put
तो आपके
it,
वो
right?
3 धुरंधर आने बाकी है ना.
हाँ, वो तो
आएंगे तो they'll re-rate the market anyways.
Means they will benchmark it to a level because each have their own brand, each have their perception. So they'll benchmark it at a level where, that's the reason why, right? Like somewhere it's also scary for, let's say, me, is that I don't want to get carried away with that. They're there, their stores. Let them be. I'm okay with my pricing.
नहीं तो Shamil, for the benefit of our viewers, can you please not too elaborate, keep it short, क्योंकि रियल एस्टेट जार्गन तो कभी समझ में नहीं आता. ये क्लस्टर बनने से होटल बनेंगे, क्रिकेट भी खेल पाएंगे, we won't have to block the road and when we were growing up, right?
True.
हॉस्पिटल है, यूनिवर्सिटी है, तो ये क्लस्टर होने से क्या फायदा होता है? What will be the big advantage compared to the other parts of Bombay? If you can just spend a little bit of time on that.
So, why the cluster policy is now more talked about, right? I'll give you.
And why does it benefit any area but Bandra Bay the most?
Roads can be bigger. The most important.
Where
right?
we love we hate our parking problems.
Yeah, right. So roads will be able to be at least one more lane bigger, which is the need of the hour. Footpath will be created now because we've got the high-rise height. Cluster बनने से advantage हो जाएगा कि रास्ते पे parking hopefully at least residents का कम हो जाएगा. आज residents रास्ते पे लगा रहे हैं.
Sure.
Because unfortunately, let's say Leelavati, built back in the day, does not have the enough parking for even the patients or the visitors. Patients तो है ही नहीं, visitors पे के लिए भी तो chance नहीं है, right? Now, hopefully with this cluster, can they earmark one parking tower
Sure.
nearby or across the road, saying भाई इधर parking बना दो basement में, basement 1 आपको दिया, basement 2, 3, 4 is for the members.
New York has it.
Right? They all have it.
Yeah, they all have it.
Right? Every hospital across the world has its own designated parking somewhere except for our hospitals. So ये cluster बनने का ये सबसे बड़ा फायदा होगा, right? Gutters will be bigger, so any which way you know the STP being built there, right? I think it's one of the largest STPs, public STPs project taken over by the government, right? 6 acres of STP, right? I think that's a game changer in itself because then it becomes the hanging garden of Bandra is what I call it. Then you've got an STP below and you've got a 6-acre garden on top which you'll never realize what is going on, right? Hanging garden is a water table and water tank for all of South Bombay. This will be of all of Bandra. So your next 5 years later, drainage system of Bandra Khar reclamation is taken care of. Roads will be wider. We will have enough open spaces to walk, play, sit and enjoy the back in the day जैसा situation था ना कि हम लोग at least रास्ते पे चल सकते थे. That is why clusters make a very, very important decision where if 4, 5, 10 buildings come together, all put in, let's say 2 or 3 high rises, imagine the open space that gets created. So each building will have far more open spaces than today, right? So biggest advantage of cluster, and I think the government has put it in that is if you take multiple buildings, compound walls get eradicated, right?
Oh.
Now if that compound wall gets eradicated, that means you can walk freely.
Wow.
Means you've got the compound wall which is only the driveway for our cars. Now imagine you take 3 buildings, you knock off all the compound walls, make one big building. Now imagine the playground that you have there, right? Now
suddenly it came back to me that you used a beautiful word called Elements Realty as a startup.
I mean, I treat it as a startup, but yes, it is. We are a startup.
And you are very young. तो ये sustainability जो है, जो बहुत, it's the climate change, sustainability, everything should be sustainable. What is this wonderful startup doing about that? Can you share something about elements and sustainability?
We are ensuring that there is cross ventilation kept. The first thing during planning, the first thing is light and ventilation need to be figured out for all the rooms, right? Including the kitchen, especially for our Indian homes. Can we knock away the kitchen from the ducts and bring them forward where ventilation becomes important? Can we ensure that at least the living, dining, cross ventilation is maintained? The corner bedrooms get, hence we design it accordingly. That is one part that we're doing, right? Now that's not environment friendly, that's living friendly. In environment friendly, the idea is as much as LED lights as possible, right? We're trying to get wherever we're building basement and podiums, lighting is mandatory, right? But we're doing smart lighting. So we've figured.
अच्छा, बंद हो जाएगी.
Means except for the, the drive-through passageway, everywhere else, it's like how you see in most of these malls, right? If your car moves in, then the 2 surrounding lights switch on. If not, it's absolutely fine. Because it also brings down the maintenance. So what I sell to the society is, sir, आपका maintenance नीचे आता है, right? But the long-term planning is you use less electricity, right? It's as simple as that. In one of the projects, we are building an STP. Because it's obviously also mandatory because it's about 2 lakh square feet of development. But in the other one, we are doing rainwater harvesting and grey water. So at least the car washing is treated and you can wash the car with that grey water rather than using it in the flush again, because I think Bandra has still not reached the Thana way or outskirts way where grey water can be used as flushing again. Right? We are still a bit thoda hum Sobo, Bandra, Khar wale hain, wo pani kaise? That's fine, and I think we'll get there. So these are the smaller things that we are doing. Compared to, I think, solar panels, which I think somewhere don't work because you need to clean them, right? Now, cleaning them reuses again water.
Sure.
So there are now, I think, companies which have come with sprinklers on the solar panels which clean the solar panels. But water is something that we're looking at in a big way, trying to preserve, and also electricity use, right? So smart lighting is important, even in the lift passage lobbies. Obviously, it's well lit, but there is a flip switch that they can use to say that, sir, out of the 4 lights, 1 will be on. The moment the lift opens up, the other 3 get switched on, right? So these are the smaller things that we're doing.
And these are not glass facade buildings like New York, जिसको साफ करते करते नानी याद आ जाएगी.
Sir, we are थोड़ा old school.
Thank you.
Right, very stone.
हाँ.
Windows where windows need to be there.
It doesn't work in India, boss.
I mean, then it becomes too hot. Then you're trying to save electricity by using AC, right?
Thank you.
Oxymoron again.
Correct. So thank you very much for that. Plus, how tall is your building?
Ranging from in height 30 floors to 15 floors depending upon the location.
So वही वापस back to above 30th floor Khandala in my house in the monsoon. The mist and the fog and everything will be inside my house.
Bandra reclamation 100%.
What? बात हो रही है? We're discussing Bandra reclamation only. So for sure Khandala will be in my house. गंदा glass facade को जो मैं खाली साफ करते जा रहा हूँ दिन भर बैठ के.
So our buildings are stone cladded.
Correct.
The reason is durability, long term.
And then summer में we'll have the वो यश जी की पिक्चर में कैसे वो कचरा होता है maple tree के वो ऐसे आपके घर में भी ऐसा कचरा आएगा मस्त.
You mean maple trees के leaves आएंगे तो हाँ कचरा बोलेंगे तो सर तो क्या है? Some of the buyers who watch this will be like, Shamil bhai, suno.
नहीं. What I meant is,
yeah, it is going to be very, very windy. Means I think wind tunnels are already being created because all of these are high rises, and it'll happen. We just did a wind analysis for our building 6 months ago, where we realized and we told them that बाजू वाला भी 30 माले का projection में डाल दो. आज नहीं है, right? But in a cluster, they can leave a gap and then still build it, but you can't just take what is built. You have to also figure out what will be built and how the wind will flow through. And it's going to be extremely windy.
Yes.
We are across the bay and everything in front of me is open, right? Everything behind me is open. And we are north-south open with the west. So now, usually it's the southwest wind that blows in at times or the northwest wind that blows in. So, hence stone cladding.
So suddenly you're making me feel कि वो जो Bandra Bay की रिपोर्ट लिखी थी टीम ने उसमें हमने दुबई और सिंगापुर का कंपैरिजन किया था. We did not compare with New York. You suddenly made me feel after this 1 hour of conversation कि we are only discussing New York and comparing with New York for Bandra reclamation.
I love New York, right? And
एक फर्क है वहाँ से वो आर्टिक और अटलांटिक से जो ठंडी हवा आती है ना
वो यहाँ पे नहीं है.
वो यहाँ पे नहीं है.
ठीक है. If global warming goes on, वो भी हो जाएगा. I think you'll be on top of Bandra Bay, any of the buildings, and you might just put your hand out and 30th floor, 35th floor पे snow आएगा, 15 माले पे पानी आएगा, पर उधर snow आएगा, right? No, but if you were to put Bandra Bay, and when you made that report and I read it, and somebody shared it with me, and they said वो wings, I think Central Park नहीं है, पर इतना बड़ा open space. I don't think people realized wings existed.
Sure.
Till the time you pointed out that such big green open space, they thought कि ये वो होता है ना ground पड़ा है कल कुछ बन जाएगा kind of situation, and I said नहीं यार ये DP में RG है.
Nice.
Right? Now you add another 6 acres. Now the only 2 big open spaces that I think we know of is PDP, right, which is great. Hanging Garden is different. I will not qualify that today.
Sure.
But PDP and Joggers Park, right,
Yeah.
are the 2 big parks. Hanging Garden is only for a particular location on top, right? Nobody drives there.
Sure.
Now imagine 2 more locations in the vicinity of 5 minutes walking distance. You had Joggers Park as the only park in Khar, Bandra, Santa Cruz. Only park. Baki gardens stay which were never maintained. Wings has been maintained. It's a 400-meter running track with a full-size football pitch.
Wow.
Paddle court, pickle court, shooting range. Today, already in. So it's an indoor shooting range, right? Cafes coming up. There are football matches which happen there. There are schools which take over wings for their sports day events, right? Now, people don't know such small things. Now, imagine living across that. Imagine walking to PDP every day.
Yeah.
People pay for a premium, right? Walk into
Yeah,
PDP,
yeah,
close to
yeah,
PDP,
yeah.
walk into Hang Garden, walk into Wings. Walk 10 more minutes, there's a 6-acre park being built near where the bus depot is, right? During the STP.
So when is the first Element Realty का sky touching neon advertisement कब deliver हो रहा है पहला जिसमें आप ad लगाओगे ऐसे आज लगाते हैं ना all developers put it now. When is it? Is it 2030?
I really
is it
don't
28?
want. I don't want to put it on the top, but means the first building that we'll deliver will be the one at Union Park because it's a shorter building in terms of height. The one opposite Olives.
Yeah.
That will deliver first because it's just a 60-meter odd building. But that will be done in the next 30 months. So within the next 30 months, you will see a building with OC. In fact, you'll see 2 buildings with OC on Turner Road and Union Park. Reclamation, you will see the RCC framework completely done up. So in the next 30 months, you'll have about 4 towers rising across Bandra with our names sort of on it.
My best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
I tell all my Credai friends, please make homes for Indians, not for yourself. So you have to work more than 24 hours. वैसे भी 10 साल में आपको रिटायर होना है आपने कहा. Off
That
the
was the
camera.
earlier plan.
अच्छा चलो 15 कर देते हैं उसको. So you have a lot of work to do.
I know.
So wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
But I'm not going to let you go so soon.
Oh.
Now,
I
now comes the more exciting part for me. आपके लिए नहीं, which is the rapid fire. उसमें एक ही rule है. You have to answer in one word. So try to keep it short, punchy, and let's see how well you do. Hamper नहीं मांगना, वो नहीं है मेरे पास.
Square foot. Funding, square foot, society.
And I have to read them this time.
Done.
Ready? If Bandra Bay were to be a stock, are you buying more? Are you holding? Or are you doubling down?
Doubling down. Hands down. Like, put my house on mortgage and still buy it. It's going to be like the Bajaj Finance.
And we spoke enough about it.
Yeah, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv of the stock market.
Wow.
If you follow equities and the returns that
Wow.
they have given, it's hands down that.
The moment Mumbai shifts forever, I'm going to give you some KBC choices. We love KBC. जब कोस्टल रोड बना या जब बुलेट ट्रेन बनेगी?
Coastal Road. Bombay is still like Mumbai is still the city where you drive and you want to drive from a point A to point B. Bullet train will shift housing, not Mumbai curves, right? Because suddenly in an hour you can work in Gujarat and come back, right?
I think it will be a big game changer for Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
But coastal is the god.
I mean, South Bombay is back again, right? Like,
मैंने काफी सोबो को गाली दी last 5 साल में.
I'm sure Nariman Point is like I met a friend today who said, Shaman, I bought a 6,000 square feet office in Nariman Point. When was the last time
we heard that?
You heard somebody say that and not BKC, right? So,
which buyer wins the next decade? The CXO, the millennial upgrader, or the boomer investor?
So I would honestly say the boomer investor only because he's more media savvy, right?
Social media savvy.
Social media savvy. But the millennial, you had that in between.
The upgrader.
Right? I think those upgraders, if they can bite that bullet today, I think they will kill it.
One luxury feature that you think is overrated?
Overrated?
Yes. ऐसा कौन सा luxury का feature है which you think is overrated now?
I'm going to shoot myself in the foot here, yeah. Honestly, swimming pool.
वो तो कोई use ही नहीं करता.
That's why I'm saying I'll shoot myself in the foot.
आप दे रहे हो क्या?
हाँ.
Hi Ram.
क्योंकि
It's a tick mark. Brochure में तो चाहिए.
Some societies demand it, right? Some don't, and I'm very happy with those guys who don't, saying that, sir, gymkhanas are better, right? Because it's a 4-foot pool.
Yeah.
I give it with proper gusto, right? I rather give a water body than a swimming pool. Yeah. Like it's just But yeah, as you rightly said, brochure में buyer को भी चाहिए, society वाले को भी चाहिए, and फिर दूसरा builder दे रहा है, तुम नहीं दे रहा है.
अच्छा, इसका flip question. Something in luxury which you feel ki people have not understood, and that's the new face of luxury. Is it parking? Is it the floor to heights? The floor to ceiling height? What is it?
So
What
I'll
is
call
the
it
new-
volume. I'll tell you why volume. It is the space and the height, right? People have, like, when I tell people that luxury is space, people say, "Tu pagal ho gaya hai," because for them luxury is marble, fixtures, all of those things. It's
No,
not,
no.
right? It's space. In a city like Bombay, New York, London, all of those places, luxury is space.
And you're
right?
and you're upping it by saying it's volume.
Volume because of the height. Now, if you can combine those two, and I can give you, as I said, a space of 3,000 square foot with proper, downtakes given for your washrooms, I leave it up to you whether you want to build a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bedroom. Your choice, right? Now, that is luxury of space, right? Why do you have lofts in New York which are 2,000 square foot and it's just one bedroom with a kitchen and it's a loft of 2,000 square feet, right? And people pay extra premium to stay there.
Wow.
It is space.
Wow.
I think it is undervalued. People want fixtures. क्या है? Marble है क्या? Sir, means मेरे घर पे मैंने tile डाला because I don't like marble.
Sure.
Right?
Wow.
So it's very, very different. Granites are way better. So
Okay, you're going to hate this question, but we're going to roll with it. A developer in Bandra Bay, you're going to bet your money on other than yourself. तो जूते पड़ेंगे, किसका भी नाम लोगे, बाकी लोग
see,
मारने
the
नहीं वाले.
best answer, best, is three of them. Adani, Oberoi, Hiranandani. Right? Because
Very smart.
And I honestly do bet on them, and I want to bet on them, is because if those three succeed, which they will, I think all of us do. I succeed as elements, Inspira succeeds, Excel succeeds, Guru Kripa succeeds. There's a developer by the name of Ravesh Jha, he succeeds, right? We all five succeed because we can piggyback on them, right? We don't need to compete with them. We shouldn't compete. I'm the last guy to compete in redevelopment, boss. I am okay buying it expensive, but why should I undercut you or make it expensive for you? But it's a dog-eat-dog world. I think Bandra Bay proved it when all of us came together to ensure that this DP will get made, right? And it comes back only because Niranjan sir entered there, right? He's approachable.
Yeah.
And he drove this, I'm sure he drove you mad to get that report out because he saw the value, right?
Yes.
Now, we've done that in Thana, where there was a campaign where Thana was sold, irrespective of I there, Puranik there, back in the day Cosmos, Hiranandani himself as a developer being there, multiple developers, Baman sir with Rustamji, all of us were there, Dosti, and we sold Thana first. All of us benefited, right?
Sure.
We showed you the advantages. I think that's what we did with Bandra Bay. So all of us need to be together in it.
No, but great names. We spoke about them earlier.
Yeah. Oh.
Great names. Absolutely. I'll allow you that. 2040, if it was a movie title. You can think.
Oh, wow.
So,
it was a movie title.
Movie title. You can say Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I don't know. I'm not. आप decide करो. You can think.
So honestly, if,
अरे बड़ी जल्दी सोच लिया?
it will not be apt, but it should be because we spoke about the stock and the value. I would call it Wall Street, right? The only reason the Wolf of Wall Street or the Wall Street, right? I think this is, or if I were to be more dramatic, KGF.
I would like to end at this high note, and between the two answers, I'm going to pick Wall Street, because it remains consistent with Mr. Modi.
Oh,
The favorite New Yorker. We have discussed the high Fifth Avenue retail यहाँ आने वाला है.
100%.
Broadway तो आ चुका है.
Hey.
आप बड़े रोड बना रहे हो, पेवमेंट बना रहे हो. अब आपने वॉल स्ट्रीट को भी कैफेज तो चलो.
Bandra culture, boss. We have to mention it.
So, given that there's so much New York in our podcast today, and we feel the New York of Bombay is Bandra Bay, on that high note, I'm going to shake hands. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Wish you all the very best for doubling down. Find some other societies.
Oh.
चाहिए तो ये पॉडकास्ट दिखाएंगे, थोड़ा उनको और बुलिश करेंगे.
सिर्फ ये एक सवाल कि सर मींस बच्चा है पर किया हुआ है इज द सिचुएशन, बट इट्स ओके. Oh, I love it. I love that challenge. It's fun.
So everybody who's listening, hearing, we're not saying that New York will happen to Bombay tomorrow.
Yeah.
But अगर उसके जैसा कुछ बनेगा तो यही बनेगा. Plus the water, plus the marina, plus the yachts, plus the pani, and of course my favorite Yash ji ka kachra. I just love it.
Hudson Yards, the development of New York, right? This is that.
So it was such a great pleasure.
Pleasure.
कभी-कभी ना you keep laughing and you enjoy. मैं तो सिर्फ सवाल पूछ रहा था.
No, I'm glad certain things happened off camera because those were those hand, foot, mouth disease, right? Okay, the brashness or the honesty, right?
Sure.
But you have to be diplomatically
Sure.
correct, and I'm learning that. We'll get there.
Thank you again, and till the next time we come with another wonderful guest and another wonderful location, and I promise we will not do Bandra again immediately. अब 2 बार हो गया. I love Bandra. अगर आपने Bandra नहीं आए हो आप, I don't know which part of the country you are watching, but you must visit. As I said, the diamonds, the offices, the Broadway, the retail, the Apple Store, the bullet train, everything is
Bollywood.
in Bandra. Correct?
100%.
So once again, thank you very much.